Hi guys, how are you? This is Sarah from CC, and in this video you are going to learn the difference between also and to. Actually, also and to, both of them, they have the same meaning, but we use them in different ways and also in different parts of a sentence. So let's just start by to. We use to mainly at the end of a positive sentence, okay, and it gives you the same, the meaning of the same, so the same as what was said before. For example, this t-shirt is really expensive. This t-shirt is really expensive too. I love chocolate. I love chocolate too. She is 24. She is 24 too. Let's move to also. Also, it has the exact meaning of to, but it comes in different parts of a sentence. Actually, it comes before the main verb and after verb to be. For example, she is Sarah. She is also Sarah. He plays football. He also plays football. She is tall. She is also tall. He plays well. He also plays well. That was it. Thanks for watching and see you next video.